I'm Rachel.
I'm Rachel.
And together we're Rachel Squared. Today we are painting
birdhouses.
Yay! I love birdhouses.
Yeah.
I have a whole bunch of them up at my trailer park.
Nice.
My lot. We got these at the dollar store, so they are. How much was yours?
$3.50.
Mine was $4, so they're cheap.
Yes.
Unless you want to be crafty and build your own, but
we're not.
We're not that crafty. I got some moss for like trees and bushes, give it a little homey effect, and some rocks. I don't know why I bought rocks.
And then we got some paint, more paintbrushes, more palette,
hot glue.
Yep. So it doesn't matter what you grab for supplies.
As long as you think the birds will like it, then that's all that matters.
We'll put our paint and our palette.
Paint and a palette. I got a bunch of gray, browns and black and white.
So I got a pink and purples.
You got the fluorescent stuff.
Because, my grandma likes those colors.
Are you giving it to your grandma?
My grandma.
I'm just having it up at the trailer, so I guess I'm giving it to my dad. So I guess it's gotta look rustic. Oh my god, it's poop! Poop. We've been doing a lot of painting videos.
Oh yeah, because the last one was a painting one, and then we did the string art.
And then our little galaxies required paint as well.
Oh. I guess our channel is painting channel.
No! Alright, I guess I'll just start off with that much. We have our paintbrushes. I gave you your 3, I have my 3. A hot glue gun for you to glue. Oh, did you already glue it on?
No.
Oh.
I'm just putting the moss on the ground.
The moss on the ground. Excuse me. So I'm going to get started on painting the sides, because that way it'll be dried a bit faster. I'm also going to try and get the sticker off.
I have to re-hot glue mine because the top is coming off.
That's what you get when you buy dollar store.
But we like our crafts to be cheap, so then we can keep doing it. Because if they're expensive...
And if they're cheap for us, that means they're cheap for you, and that means quick and easy, lots of fun.
Yes. Because I think everyone likes going cheaper than more expensive.
I mean, it's good to have good quality stuff, but when you can't really afford it, but you want to still do crafts, cheap is the way to go. Mine's just a regular plain Jane brown. Yours is going bright fluorescent.
I like it.
Oh, you can tell my paint is old. It's very chunky. It's got some serious junk in the trunk. Look at that. That's all chunk. Oh, that is like... Does paint expire?
I don't know.
That might be why. It's not old, but like it's like a year old. That's about it. The Halloween week, we will be putting out 2 videos as a Halloween special.
Oh.
Because I just think that'll be a lot more fun. It'll give you guys a bit more content. What do you say?
Yeah.
Yeah? So
we should dress up.
Yeah, I was just saying, we'll dress up. It'll be cool.
We'll make it fun for you.
I want to get tie-dye so you can tie-dye shirts.
I did that once, my friend. Oh my god. I will never buy that shit again. It is so expensive.
Oh.
From
Michael's?
Yeah, from Michael's.
Oh, that's what I was thinking of getting at.
Yeah, it's really fun.
But I don't know any other place that sells tie-dye. Got my front and the one side done. It's a lovely little brown. What color is it? It's espresso. Espresso yourself, oh. Alright, so I got my sides done. And that is a lot of brown that I did not use. But it's all chunk. I think for the top, I'm going to, okay, I'm just going to throw this brown out. For the top, I'm just going to go black with some moss up on top. Oh, it's chunky as well. I actually really don't like painting, but
I like it.
we seem to be doing a lot of that. I would rather draw and color in than paint something that's already made for me.
I used to do this all the time. These would be my like gifts that I do for like Christmas or birthdays. But I also like my parents would buy something because I wanted to do something. So
Yeah. You speak really softly.
I know. Parents think I need to talk louder.
You do.
Sorry.
Unless it's like 1 o'clock in the morning and when you're shouting, it's like, people upstairs can hear you.
I don't know what it is, but like during the day I'm just like,
you're so quiet during the day, but then like 12 o'clock hits, you're just like,
so true.
It's like, I can't shut you up now.
I think it's because like I normally have like pop at night.
Ugh.
And that's probably or coffee or something.
I just can't.
And it's bad. I can have like 2 or 3.
I know, you drink so much pop.
It's bad.
And it's diet pop. It's not even good for you. It's like, it's worse.
But that's what I have in the house.
Okay, but it's worse than actual regular stuff. Oh my. This has got so much added fake shit. Live a healthy life. That's what I'm trying to say. Healthier.
Well, you know that's not gonna happen for me.
Healthier.
Yeah.
If you are pretty healthy.
Ah, shit, man.
Wrong purple?
Yeah, what do I do now? Just do that a different hole.
Mm-hmm. Wasting my paint.
Sorry.
The black abyss.
We have a problem with Starbucks.
Just a little bit. I got the top done. I'm just gonna get under.
Oh no, you were so fast.
I'm using a big brush. I gave you a big brush too.
Oh shit, man.
Are you good?
I'm grand. Are you good?
Peachy.
So how was your week?
My week?
Yeah.
Stressful.
Oh, that's not good.
Especially Wednesday night. When I didn't get barely any sleep over fucking projects.
We love that.
Love college life.
At least we
But you know what? Stay in school.
If you want the Mulan, that's how you're gonna get it.
Yeah.
I guess you don't have
Get a
to.
proper career.
Yeah.
YouTubing is not a career.
No, but I mean,
It is for some people, and it works for some people. But there are also those YouTubers that have a full-time job and a YouTubing career. Yeah. And they work it. They work it very good.
Yes. I give them props, right?
But there are those kids that think that they can be a YouTuber.
Yep. Or I heard that
drop out of school, and then they don't get anywhere with it.
I heard statistic. You know how like when you're like in school and you'd be like, teachers are like, "What do you want to be when you grow up?" Now statistics are, "I want to be a YouTuber." It's like so popular right now.
I know, and it's not the way to go.
No.
Like,
you can do it for fun, but not as your career.
Don't do it as your career unless you know that you're going to go big. It's go big or go home.
Yes.
And a lot of them should go home.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we're not even trying to get famous. We're just doing this for fun. Like, this is fun for us. It gives us some stress relief from school.
Yes.
Which is highly stressful.
Yes.
In some cases for us.
Yes.
It's a big stress relief for me.
Mm-hmm.
Although I'm just doing more art.
Yes.
I'm gonna put a second coat on my body.
What color is this? Is that purple?
There we go. My second coating is done. Ah, my apple! It splashed me in the eye. I don't know what color I should do my bottom. Maybe I should make it a gray because I'm going to be putting rocks on it. So I'm just going to mix some white and black together, make some gray. Okay, so I'm just mixing some white and black together because, you know, that's how you make gray. And I'm going to use that color for my base. And then I will add rocks. There we go. Bottom is painted. I'm going to sprinkle some white on. Like, I'm going to, like, flick it on. You know? So this is going to be really messy on my hands. Should I do other colors too? Like make it like a galaxy? So if I just do white, it already looks like it's got bird shit on it. It gives it a pretty little effect. Look, it's so cute. Pull out. Okay, I'm gonna open up the rocks. Pull out the ones that are left. Where's my moss? Oh. Thank you. Smells nice, actually. Oh, no, I know this. I'm snorting moss. Just open it up. Smells like nature. I'm gonna try and make a tree. Don't know how well that will go. There's my tree. Oh, my little tree. Wow. Very pink.
That's what she likes. She will wear like all pink.
I found a stick.
What? I didn't do anything.
First off, glue my tree together. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Hot glue?
Ow!
Hot glue?
It's on me. Oh. Oh, that hurt. How am I putting this tree on? Just gonna pop it on there. Goodness. Okay, so got the little tree. Ow! Got the tree on. I'm gonna start putting the rocks on it now. Be careful. This is hot glue, so it will burn you. So if you're a young child, please get your parents to help you. Don't burn yourself. Don't pull a me. I'm only gonna put the rocks up front. I'm not gonna put them on the back, sides of the bag. So I didn't overdo it. That way it's nice little cottage for the little birdies. I'm done! I really burnt myself. That hurt. Wait till I hurt myself. She doesn't care. I'll just drink my Starbucks. Do 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 do. Uh-huh. Well, this is my finished product.
Mine.
Mine's a little more outdoorsy than yours.
Yeah.
Minus the top. But we got a little galaxy going on here. Anyway, this was fun.
Yes, this was really fun.
I hope we don't have to paint next week. Okay, just go to my Etsy. Buy my shit, please.
Wow. Are we still gonna make that Instagram account or Snapchat?
Yeah. Do you guys want us to make that Instagram or Snapchat account? We have a lot of content we could put on there.
A lot.
It's great.
It will make you laugh all day long.
At least we hope so.
Well, we think.
We think it will, but depending on
Mhm.
if you. But yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like my Etsy. Hit the little bell icon to get notified. Yeah.
And if you're new, subscribe.
Well, Rachel.
Yes, Rachel.
Goodbye.